Hi, I'm Rosina and I am a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the technique for the plaid and block sections. The Knitcraft Mixtape Medley CAL is an 8-week crochet along to help you explore new stitches, try new colour combinations and have fun along the way. The blanket is great for a beginner who wants to build on their skills or for a more advanced crocheter who loves exploring new stitches and colour combinations. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos. This swatch works for the plaid and the block sections because the principle is the same. The size of the blocks are different because you're using a different number of stitches for each. This one shows the plaid. Chain 1 and make 4 half treble stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, but don't finish the 4th stitch. Bring in the new yarn. Instead of finishing the stitch with the blue yarn, introduce the new colour for the last yarn over of the 4th stitch. Pull it through. Work the next 4 stitches with the new colour. Ignore the tail, but make sure to carry the other yarn as you crochet. Crochet over that yarn as you go. It's just rows of half trebles, but it's the colour changes that create the block patterns. Pull on the yarn so that it's not too loose. This is the 4th stitch, so swap over the colours. You can see the carried yarn underneath as well. For the last block of colour, it's a little bit different as there's an additional stitch. It's the same for the plaid and the blocks, but it won't be noticed in the final blanket. Where there are 4 stitches in each block along, the last one is 5 stitches. In the block sections, the last block has 10 stitches rather than 9. Chain 1 and turn, still carrying the other yarn with you. For the first colour block of this plaid swatch, it's 5 stitches. Again, gently pull on the carried yarn a little bit so that it's hidden in the stitches. For the plaid, it's 3 rows before you change colours, and 6 rows for the blocks. Every now and again, untwist the yarn so that it doesn't get tangled up. 3 rows of colour worked. Change over to the blue, or the colour you're using. It's exactly the same stitch, just changing the colours to create new blocks. Cut the yarn you're no longer using and bring in a new colour for the plaid. It's just 2 colours for the bigger blocks, but 3 for the plaid. Remember to carry the other yarn. For more techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.